Today I'm going to show you how to easily create this adorable Kindle sleeve without sewing, so let's get started. For this DIY, you'll need a tube of speedsew fabric glue, fabric for the outer layer, I'm using this 100% cotton, and fabric for the inner layer, which I'm using this thinner 100% cotton. You'll need batting, fabric scissors or rotary cutter, pins, and a ruler. So start by cutting out one piece from all your layers 6.5 inches by 15.5 inches, and for reference my Kindle is 6.5 inches by 4.5 inches, so you can adjust these measurements bigger or smaller based on your Kindle size. Then using the same fabric as your outer or inner layer, cut out 2 straps that are 10 inches by 2 3/4 inch. Once you have your straps cut out, fold them in half lengthwise so the right sides of the fabric are facing each other and pin them to stay in place. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Remove 1 to 2 pins at a time and start applying a thin line of speedsew lengthwise to one of the straps. Fold the fabric over, apply pressure, and repeat the same steps on the other half of the strap and on the other one. And if you get some glue on your table while doing this, don't worry, speedsew easily comes off hard surfaces with some friction. Once both straps are glued and pinned lengthwise, apply glue to one side of the strap and pin it to stay in place while it dries. Once the straps are dry, you can remove the pins and start turning the straps right side out. You can do this with your hands, or there are tools you can buy to help you do this. Once you have turned your straps fully right side out, you can poke out the corners with a pencil or pen. Now let's start working on the body of the sleeve. Grab your outer layer and place it right side down, and place your piece of batting down and align all the corners and pin it to stay in place. Once you've pinned all the way around, fold the fabric in half crosswise and cut a small mark, and repeat this on the other side. This is to ensure you place the straps in the exact same spots on both ends. Place the open end of each strap in the middle of the cut you just made and pin it to stay in place. Now apply a thin line of glue to the open end of the strap, fold it back over, apply pressure, and repeat on the other strap. Once both straps are glued, grab your inner layer and lay it over the outer layer and align all 4 corners and pin it to stay in place. Now apply glue to both 6.5 inch sides between each layer, leaving the 2 long sides unglued. And make sure whatever side of your inner layer you want facing out in the end is facing down. Once both sides are dry, align each fabric with its right side and glue both open ends, leaving about 3 inches unglued so you can turn the fabric right side out. Let the glue dry for about half an hour, and then you can turn the sleeve right side out. Now glue the opening together and let it dry for about 15 minutes. Push your inner lining in, and just like that, you created an adorable Kindle sleeve without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!